Hello beautiful people. So let us see the shortcut key for filtering in Excel. Let's come to this item list. So we want to be able to filter this header for easy check. So we are going to use this shortcut key, that is, you hold down your Control Shift and L button together. Okay, so let's do that. You can see there is nothing there presently, so watch what will change when I click on Control Shift and L. Can you see there is a drop down arrow there? So with this I can sort. Let me uncheck everything, and then let's say I want to see the information about cocoa seed alone, then I will check only cocoa seed, and here we are, we have only cocoa seed. So that's how to use filtering in Excel. If you are enjoying this tutorial, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. See you in my next video.